Welcome to Math in Short. This is Miss Susan and today's topic is the common denominator. First, we have to know what are the main two parts of fractions. We have two main parts. The first part is the upper part is called numerator and it represents the number of parts that we have. The down number is called denominator. Please note, down number, denominator, down number, denominator, down, denominator, down, denominator. Please connect the two words. And the denominator represents the total parts in all. The next question, why we need to find the common denominator between fractions? Why we need to make the two denominators are equal? Because common denominators help us to add, subtract, or even compare fractions easily. For example, 3/5 is plus 1/5 equal. We have the same denominator here, the same parts in all. So we can add the numerators easily. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4/5. And that's it. How we find the common denominator? We have four main steps that we can implement to find the common denominator. Step number 1, find the different denominators. Find the main two denominators which are different. Step number 2, write all multiples of each denominator. And what are multiples? The timetable of each denominator. Step number 3, find the common multiple of each denominator. Step number 4, multiply each fraction by its compatible number to get the common denominator. And let's implement it. If I have two different fractions, 1/3 and 2/5, and we need to find the common denominator of it. What are the denominators here? It's 3 and 5. So let's write timetable 3 and timetable 5. Timetable 3 is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. Timetable 5 is skip counting by 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, and so on. So, let's have a look here. Do I have 3 in timetable 5? No. Do I have 6 in timetable 5? No. Do you have 9 in timetable 5? No. Do you have 12 in timetable 5? No also. And finally, do you have 15 in timetable 5? Yes. So, these are the common multiple between the two timetables. So, to get 15, you have to multiply 3 by what? Let's skip counting. How many steps do we have to get 15? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's the number that I multiplied by 3 to get 15. We will do the same with timetable 5. I should multiply 5 by what to give me 15? Let's count how many steps that we have to get 15. 1, 2, 3 steps. And this means I should multiply 5 by 3. So again, the common multiple is 15. And to get 15, we have to multiply 3 by 5 and 5 by 3. But should I multiply 3 by 5 down only? No. If you multiply the fraction, you have to multiply both the numerator and the denominator by the same number. And that's what I did here. So, let's do it. Multiply first the numerator with 5. 1 times 5 is equal to 5. The denominator is with 5. 3 times 5 is equal to 15. Let's go to another number. I should multiply 5 by 3 to give me 15. And the 3 should be multiplied up and down. So let's multiply the numerators. 2 times 3 is equal to 6. and 5 times 3 is equal 15. Now we have two shapes of the fraction that we have in both the same denominator, 15 and 15, and that's the common denominator. There is another example. If I have 3/4 and 1/6, and we have to find the common denominator of both. The first step is to find the different denominator, 4 and 6. Step number 2, write their timetables. Timetable 4 is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. Timetable 6, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. What we can see here that we have two common multiples. 12 is founded here and here. 24 founded here and here. So which one should I use? I should use the least common multiple between both numbers 4 and 6, which will be 12. So to get 12, I should multiply 4 by what? Count with me. 1, 2, 3. And to get 12 from timetable 6, I should multiply 6 by what? 1, 2. Then it's 2. So 12 is the common multiple, not 24. And to get 12, you have to multiply 4 by 3 and the 6 with 2. Let's do that. Of course, if you have to multiply by a number, you should multiply it up and down. So 3 over 4, or 3/4, should be multiplied by 3 over 3. And that's equal. Multiply the numerators first. 3 times 3 is equal 9, and 4 times 3 is equal 12. 1/6. Multiplied by 2, up and down. Let's multiply the numerators first. 1 times 2 is equal 2, and 6 times 2 is equal 12. Now we have the same denominators here, 12, and here's 12. And thank you for watching my video. Hope that you like it. Please follow and subscribe.